Some may see a desk, but I see dollar signs. I immediately recognized the solid maple Crawford desk and I bought it for $60. I started by cleaning the piece to get a better idea of what I was working with. I used 120 grit to remove any of the old finish, which thankfully came off pretty easily, but sanding did not help remove the dark stain on the top of the desk at all. I did try a few rounds of oxalic acid, which didn't work, neither did a hot iron, so I decided to just go ahead and apply some oil-based preconditioner and then a coat of fruitwood gel stain. I was honestly really stumped about the dark stains, and I knew my typical wax crayons wouldn't cut it, so I went back to the basics, color theory. I usually use an orange-red pigment under my concealer to hide dark marks, so I figured if that color correction works on my skin, it should work on wood too, right? Girl math. I got to the closest color match that I could, and then I added some graining details. I sealed it all up with a few coats of some semi-gloss lacquer. Now, here's the before and here's the after. While it's not perfect, it was definitely a learning experience. I guess it's time to practice my inline painting skills, so if you have any advice, please let me know in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more furniture flips.